Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to hide Amazon orders. To conceal an order on Amazon, you will need to access the standard desktop site. Start by logging into your account and then hover over the Accounts and Lists option in the upper right corner, selecting your account from the list. Then, proceed to choose your orders and locate the specific order you wish to hide. While Amazon doesn't allow you to delete orders, you can archive them, moving them to a separate list that is less accessible. Now, click on Archive Order next to the orders you want to hide, and they will be transferred to this distinct list, away from your primary order history. If you accidentally move an order to the archive and need to retrieve it, navigate to your archive by clicking on the Account and Lists button. Then, scroll down to find the list labeled Ordering and Shopping Preferences. There, you will find a link to your archived orders, allowing you to manage or restore them. Unfortunately, Amazon doesn't provide an alternative method to hide orders. If you require more discreet ordering, consider using a separate account and utilizing an Amazon locker for delivery. This ensures your products remain confidential. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.